Hey art friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Kuromi from Sanrio, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first we're going to start with the bow right in the middle. We're going to start with the skull. So splitting our paper in half, stepping over on the left, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming in. And now let's leave a gap and replicate that as we come across on the right. From that inside line now, we're going to arch this line all the way around and through towards the top. And then again, we're just going to replicate this on the left-hand side. Let's color these in black now. Now from here, we're going to close off the skull head. So coming down, we're going to round this out, curving this around and through towards the center. And then again, starting on the top, we're just going to continue this as we come down and in on the side. Now on the left and right hand side, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down, ending that at the same height. And then we'll close this off with a curved line from left to right. Now from the middle, stepping across, we're going to draw in two straight lines coming up for the teeth. Let's draw in the bow. So on the top here, we're going to curve this line out towards the left, and then we'll do the exact same thing on the right. From that point, let's curve this line in for the middle of the bow. Now underneath on the bottom, let's curve this line back out again, ending that at the same width as the line on the top. And then again from here, from that point in the center, just curving this down. Let's add in that detail line in the middle. So we're going to curve this up and out. Now let's move up. On the side, we're going to round this out, curving this in. Again, stepping down, curving that through. We're just going to replicate this as we move in. And then again, one more time, rounding this out, curving this down towards the top of that head there. We're going to flip underneath, replicating this. So on the bottom, coming down from that corner again, curving this around and up. Let's continue to move through. So from that point, curving that around and in. Again, stepping over, curving that up. And now one more time, rounding that out, curving that in, closing off the bow. We're going to draw more of the bow coming in behind. So again, on the top, we're going to curve this line out on both sides. We'll do the same on the bottom, curving that out, ending that the same width as the line on the top. Now from here, let's draw a diagonal line coming in towards that center. And then again, from that point, we're just going to curve this down towards the bottom. Now, like we did on the top, from that corner, rounding this out, curving that in. And then from the center again, curving that over and across. Now let's come down from that inside corner, curving that up. And then again, one more time from the middle, arching that over towards the bow. Let's close off the top of the head. So we're just going to draw in a curved line from left to right. And now let's draw in the ears. So on the top, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes up. We'll bring this diagonal line across on either side of our page. Now let's draw in a nice big circle. So from that point, we're just going to draw in a nice big circle for the top of the ear. Now let's close off the side of the ear. So we're just going to pull this line down on a diagonal, ending that at the same distance as the line on the top on a diagonal. And then from there, we're just going to pull this diagonal line in towards that bow right in the middle. Now let's close off the head. So we're going to come over on the left-hand side, rounding this out, pulling this over, flattening that out as we come in for the chin. And then we'll do the exact same thing on the right-hand side. So we're going to curve this around, blending that together right in the middle. Now on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this around and down on the bottom. Again, on the right-hand side. And then now in the middle, we're just going to draw a small dot. And then from that dot, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming out on the right. And then we'll do the exact same thing, stepping over on the left. Now let's draw in Kuromi's eyes. So as we come across on the right-hand side, let's draw a diagonal line, curving that up slightly. We'll do the exact same thing, lining that up at the same height on the left. Let's close this off underneath with a nice big arch line. So starting on the inside line here, we're going to arch this all the way around and through on the side. And then moving down for the second eyelash, we're just going to again curve that out. Let's draw in a highlight in the eye. So on the top left-hand corner, we're going to draw in a nice big circle. And then we'll do the exact same thing on our right eye as well. And then again from here, we're just going to color in that eye black. Now in the middle, let's draw in the nose. So right in the center from that point, we're going to draw in a sideways oval. Then we're just going to draw in a small arch line for the frown. Now let's step over for the cheek. We're going to draw in a sideways oval below the left eye. And then we will do the exact same thing on the right eye. Let's come over on the left and right hand side, drawing in a diagonal line coming across. And now let's draw in a nice big circle. Now on both sides, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming in. And then again, from that point, we'll bring this down. Now let's draw another circle on that line. And then one more time, we're just going to come in towards the middle, drawing in a dot. And then again from that dot, just bringing this diagonal line out on both sides. Let's draw the arms on the front. So we're going to draw a diagonal line coming in towards the middle, leaving a gap. Let's round up the hand, curving this around and through on the side. And now from here, we're just going to bring this line up on a diagonal towards that circle. Let's close it off in the middle with a slight curved line. And then again, as we come across on the left and right hand side, just curving that out. Let's step up for the back feet now. We're going to arch this line around, connecting it to that line, pulling that through and back down, leaving a gap. And then to close off the hind leg, we're just going to curve this up towards the collar there. And that is it. That's how you draw Kuromi from Sanrio. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.